Assalamualaikum guys, you are watching Minahil Ayub YouTube channel. Today I am going to share a easy and quick recipe of coffee cake. So let's start the procedure. First add the half cup of coffee mixture. Then add the 1 cup of sugar in the blender. Then add 2 eggs. Then add vanilla essence, 2 drops only. Then add oil, half cup. Blend it for 2 minutes. Now your coffee cake mixture is ready. Now add pinch of salt and 1 cup of flour. Together. Baking powder 2 teaspoons. Now strain. Now mix it well properly. Now your mixture will look like this after mixing it. Something like thick. Now grease it with flour and oil. Now tap and put the batter in it. Now put leftover batter into cupcake utensil. Now preheat for 20 minutes into steel pot. Now preheat cupcake utensil mixture for 20 minutes. So guys, our spongy coffee cake is ready. I hope you like my content of the video. So share it to others. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And if you want more content, you can comment me in the comment box. Press the bell icon for upcoming video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video, inshallah.